This week's lecture looked at design theory and how design can affect the user's perception of the system. Now, orientation elements is where the user can detect where they are in the navigation. The navigation elements help the user to move around the system. The emotion elements use colour and images to appeal to the feelings of the user. Content elements put data and information in text, picture, sounds and animation, and the interaction elements cause the computer to react to the activities of the user. People create mood boards to collate their ideas into one area so that they can be compared and to see which ones work well and complement each other. This one here is mine. There are some design principles that need to be considered, such as visual hierarchies that show the positions and where the user has come from to get to where they are. It could be in a drop-down menu or a sidebar. There's also the grid method that puts similar information in the same area, so that if users are looking for laptops as an example, they would click on mobile computers. The system will need to have personality. Personality is how the system feels and how the users would react to the system. There's quite a lot of different things that could affect the personality of the system. So it could be the colour, the photos of it, the shapes that are being used, and the typography. The typography can show what sort of look and feel that the team has gone for, whether it's more professional, whether it's more aimed at children, whether it's somewhere in the middle. With the artifacts, I've gone for more royal colours like purple and red, as they fit in with the Roman colours that be used as well. I think that those colours will complement each other as they're from around the same side of the colour wheel. I've also decided to use the font Trajan Pro. It looks very Roman, and I feel that it works well with those colours and sets up a real authentic Roman feel. Planning is another key aspect of when designing a project, as it gives a time frame of what needs to be carried out and when it should be carried out. There is a Gantt chart that can show you what tasks need to be completed before other tasks, so that you can sort out which people need to be able to complete their task before the next person could carry on. So if you had a designer and a programmer, you would hope that the programmer could program the information first before the designer had the chance to model it, in case some of the code would affect the layout of the project.